How can you completely change your life in just 1 year or less? This is for anyone that is stuck in a 9 to 5 or feels like they are made for more. So this is me literally doom scrolling, and this is the kind of transformation that I've had. And yeah, this happened in literally less than 6 months' time, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly the same. So let's get into it. So I've already covered this in some of my other videos before, but this is just a quick summary of my story. So I was working at McDonald's for over 4.5 years, mentally and physically exhausted. I was skinny, weak, had literally no confidence. I couldn't talk to girls. Yeah, it was very embarrassing. So I had a complete wrong mindset and was hanging around with the wrong circle and had the wrong network around me. And also my sleep was absolutely terrible. And yeah, that was just affecting everything even worse, making me feel depressed, making me feel terrible about my life. So yeah, these are two pictures of me working at McDonald's, and as you can probably tell, I hated it with a passion. And yeah, I was not happy at all. So yeah, this is the kind of shift that I actually made to improve things for me and somewhat what you guys can do as well. So yeah, I actually reached a point where I became afraid. I was afraid that if I didn't make a change now, I was going to end up like the other older employees there. And yeah, I could not let that happen. So yeah, as I said here, seeing older ex-colleagues not wanting to end up like them. The worst part of it literally wasn't where I was. It was the fear and realization that if I didn't change, if I didn't make a change then, this was going to be my life forever. I stopped hanging around with the wrong crowd, researching into escape routes to get me out of there as soon as possible. So, number one, what you can do is first fix your circle. If you're hanging around with the wrong crowd, you need to literally get rid of those right away. Even if that means that you're going to be spending a lot of time alone, that is going to be the best for you right now. Obviously, it's amazing if you have that great circle that you can get around you of people, into self-improvement with the right mindset. But if you can't, it's honestly better to be alone. So yeah, surround yourself with like-minded people, ambitious, strong, and successful. Listen to the right people. So YouTube videos, Instagram reels, communities. Listen to people who have achieved what you want to achieve. And yeah, this also comes to music as well. The music that you listen to is gonna completely like just affect your mindset and how you think about things. So yeah, as you can see here, this is me in Thailand with a good mate of mine. And yeah, this is me with some of the guys I met out there in Koh Samui, Thailand. And yeah, I think this was my birthday day as well. And we went to this waterfall. And yeah, it was amazing. It was very hard to get up to though, I can tell you that. So yeah, number two is save your money as much as possible. So if you have a 9 to 5 job, you want to be saving up your money and you want to build an emergency fund. So save at least 6 months of funds to be fine for that long if you don't make any money at all. While you're in your 9 to 5 job, you should use the 5 to 9 or whatever to build a business or work on a high income skill. A high income skill is going to be better for beginners. You don't want to leave your job or take any big risks until you have that emergency fund in place. So yeah, at least 6 months of money to be fine if you make absolutely zero money. Number three, this is a massive one, and giving up alcohol. This is how you can instantly dominate the average man. This has literally never been a problem for me, but I've seen so many people, like how it affects them and holds them back. It completely steals your motivation. And yeah, you basically become a vegetable. Like when you're hungover, you literally become a vegetable. You can't do nothing. You can't you just want to lie there and do fuck all. So, and yeah, it's basically medicine for a life that you do not want to live. So, number four is obviously getting into shape. Getting into shape will give you massive confidence and energy boost just from that. Also, you'll get respect from other men, attention from the opposite sex, maybe some same sex too. And yeah, it builds discipline and which helps with all areas of life. I recommend that you invest in a gym membership and gym gear to make you more committed and actually want to go more. Also, you can invest in a fitness coach's program or coaching that has a body type that you actually want or like. And yeah, it just gives you so much mental clarity moving forward. And yeah, helps you literally get almost anything you want out of life if you're in great shape and you've got that confidence there. So yeah, these are just two little pictures of me working out in Success Gym in Koh Samui, Thailand. So yeah, number 5 is start to build your personal brand. You might not know what to post, but you should do it about what interests you and also what skill or business that you want to do. You should document your journey from starting out, even if you have no results, no skills yet. Just document your journey from the beginning to obviously doing well. You can start off just using stories as a journal, so you can figure out what you actually like to do and also what you like to talk about and things. And yeah, building a personal brand helps you make money, travel around the world, gives you freedom, build your network, and can get you women as well. So yeah, this is number 6. We've already slightly touched on this, but learn a high income skill or start a business. You can do this alongside your job. And yeah, I've literally seen under 18-year-olds learn a skill and make over 5K a month. A skill is going to be best for beginners because with a business, it's like so many skills together, if you get me. So yeah, doing this will help you make money, travel around the world, freedom, get you women, etc., like I spoke about before. You can leave your job when you've saved up enough or replaced your current income. Number 7 is finding a mentor or a community. This matters because it's going to speed up the process so fucking much if you get someone who's achieved exactly what you want to do. Sure. If you've if you find someone who's achieved exactly what you want to do and what you want for your life, then yeah, do your research on them. It saves you so much time, pulls you up, they hold you accountable, and yeah, it just cuts out that bad relationships and the network around you as well because you're spending more time with this mental community, and that's just helping your mindset massively and yeah, kind of getting you away from those negative people in your life that are holding you down, holding you back. Yeah, this is very important, guys. Do your research on the mentor community before investing. You don't want to waste your money or your time. And number 8, this is one of the most important things, and most people neglect it, is creating some space to actually think. A best way you can do this is journaling. So with journaling, you can literally write down your thoughts, your feelings, your struggles, and literally like come up with a resolution in the journal as well. That's what I've found. Like any struggles I've had, they basically become insignificant, and like I realize how simpler it is to actually solve these problems when you just write it down in paper. It like just makes it much easier. Yeah, you want to get clear and defined goals. Figure out exactly what you want out of your life. And yeah, write it down, type it out, whatever. But get very, very clear on what you want. Also, you want to figure out how to spend your time most effectively. And with that time, you want to make sure that in your day you do the actions that propel things forward the most. So yeah, as I said here, similar to getting clear defined goals, write or type out the exact life that you want to live. So yeah, guys, if you found that helpful, if you guys are into self-improvement, if you guys are into, if you guys want to grow your Instagram page, monetize, if you guys want to get into remote sales, and if you just want to become the best man possible in all areas of life, then do consider hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys joining me on this journey to help many guys out, and also on my journey of becoming the best man possible, hitting 10K per month, and then obviously on my road to a millionaire. Peace out.